right, so that's going to be some of the most impressive amp cloning technology I have ever heard, especially when you consider the fact that it is a free app. That's right. This is the GE Labs from Mooer, and I got this app for absolutely nothing and managed to get this with it. Yeah, that's not too bad. But the big question is, how's it sound to mix? So that was Eric Arco on guitar and bass and Jackson Ward on drums. And we were using my iPad along with this patch I made last night as an amplifier. That went into my main Reaper rig over here. But that's just this. What we did was we captured 3 mics off my Rev cab, blended them in the RME Fireface and sent it over here to the Babyface and did the capture. And this whole system's really simple, actually. Gives you an option to grab a drive, a preamp, your entire rig, or just the cabinet. And if I want to grab entire, shows you how to hook everything up so you don't screw it up too badly. I managed to get it right eventually. Seriously though, this is dead simple. The fact that it's for free and part of a larger amplifier suite just kind of blows the mind, to be honest with you. The great thing is you get a whole suite of effects here. You've got compressors, wah, modulation, drive pedals, noise gates, equalizers, delay, and even reverb. And of course, you've got your whole amps end of things as well. You get your various preamps, and there's a lot to choose from here. Power amps and cabinets as well. Now there's also a cloud option here where you can grab presets from other users, whether it be samples they've taken of stuff like, ooh, a Proco Rat. Let's grab that. Let's see what that's all about. And there's various preamps you can grab, AC30, Marshall JC, yeah, all kinds of cool stuff here. Entire samples like what I just showed you guys there, what I did with my Soldano, and cabinet impulses as well. So here's that Rat pedal I just downloaded. This is going into the Carol CL, which was the John Mayer clean tone setting here that I just downloaded off the cloud. Let's lard that up a little, shall we? Now, I pulled this off the cloud this morning. This is an entire rig setup somebody else made up, and this is a Bogner sim. Check this out. That's all kinds of fun. What I also grabbed off the cloud was somebody's 5150 sim. And this is made up of various components that are available as part of the program. There's, switchable preamp, switchable power amp, switchable cabinet. And you can move the virtual mics around, including changing distance from the speaker. And we can change out the virtual cabinet as well. And we can even go for different power stages. That's kind of fun right there. I actually like that quite a bit. And, you know, we can change out the preamps too. Yeah, that's all kinds of fun. I think it's really easy to get lost in the software. I could wind up spending a lot of time in it with all the different options available. But the fact that they've thrown in that amp cloning technology and it's a free app, that kind of blows my mind. Now, there is one limitation with the free version. You only get one save slot. So if you want access to more stuff and more saves, you need to get the paid version. Now, the great thing is they've got a Christmas sale going on and the app is available for $24.99 on a limited time sale. So if you want to turn your iPad or your phone into a awesome little guitar amp suite, I definitely recommend checking it out. For more information, you head on over to moreaudio.com or the App Store. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.